It's a very hot morning. Time check. It's 10:30 and the skies are blue as you can see, and the sun is this side. It's really hot, and I'm out. Just worked on my hair, added a little bit of foundation on myself and lipstick, and time to check the outfit of the day. I'm living in the countryside of Western Uganda, in case you're here for the very first time, and my name is Lynette Lynn, coming from the beautiful African continent, to be specific in the East African. That's where Uganda is found. Anyways, today is a very beautiful day. As you can see, no cloud in the sky, it's blue, and the sun, oh my god, the sun is shining. But today is a very beautiful day, and whoo, what a good day to be alive. Let me show you my outfit. Ta-la-la, la-la-la. Woo. Woo. Oh my god, I can't show you my shoes because I'm putting on mini boots, but this is my outfit check, and we are heading to the nature. Let's go.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure.
And the moon is morning. It's right there. So right here, this is like a garden of cassava with mangoes, avocado trees, and coffee. And I dug all here and weeded out, and it's looking beautiful. No one comes to the hilltop with a long dress as this, because right now I'm trying to remove all this scattered seed like blackjack and stuff that I shouldn't have if I'd come in my normal dresses or panties that I always put on. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, this is becoming unbearable. I should have planned. I should have known that I stay on the hill and I don't have to go through all this removing the blackjack on my dress. But isn't that view very nice, you guys? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? The blue skies, the girl in a maroon dress, and woo, boom, 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 woo. Oh my god. Woo. I missed this dress. Oh, I did. So la 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 la. Why is everything looking so nice right now? Why am I watching all this view, you guys? Why is it so beautiful? Why is it so good to live in the countryside, you guys? Do you even have an idea how beautiful the bliss is here? I love it. I love it. So hi guys, I'm out on the breeze and the nature and the trees and the hills and the sky and the clouds. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm like, my heart is full. I'm bursting out in laughter and joy. I'm just alone and it's beautiful. Nobody told me that I would be in the same place. I could literally come here every single day and I still feel so refreshed. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. Nobody told me that just being out in the nature, surrounded by trees, clouds in the background, clouds, sky. Oh my god. How, oh lovely Lord, how can this be true? Like I feel joy, I feel happy, I feel excited, a mixed reaction, emotions. Like, I don't know how to express what I'm feeling. What is this? Nature. I should have known this earlier. I would have enjoyed my childhood, my teenage days. I should have known this. Oh my god, now I'm excited. This being here.